Right, 7th December 2023, and today we're going to have some breaking news. It's very rare for me to do lives at this time, except if there is something really big that has happened. And indeed, something big has happened, and this is with regards to the court case where Sengezo Tshabangu, who is the CCC Secretary General, he is now obviously confirmed at the court as the Secretary General of the CCC, has now won his case against the CCC of Nelson Chamisa, and he's also won against all the MPs that were recalled. What this means is that the MPs that are working under Chamisa or who were nominated by Chamisa are not going to be able to contest in this coming election. This is on this weekend and the next elections that are coming within the next few weeks. And I've got the judgment here. So I'm going to take you through the judgment and then I'll give you a conclusion on what I think is going to happen and what Chamisa should do. So the case is HCH 7543/23, and it was Citizens Coalition for Change and Sengezo Tshabangu. So you must see who is the applicants, is those two. Against Prince Banda, Bright Moyo, Veliswe Nkomo, Jesmine Tofa, Stabile Mlilo, Pasha Rafios Banda, Nicola Jane Watson, Eric Gono, Evidence Sunungurai Zana, Morgan Mube, Obed Manduna, Janet Dube, Desmond Makaza, Gideon Shoko. So these people that I have read for you, they are not going to be able to contest in this election. And Prince Dubeko, he has been winning Binga continuously. This means for the first time, he's not going to be a candidate there. And I do not know who's going to be the candidate. I'm going to be unpacking sorry, I think I've lost my network a bit there. Helen Zivira, Mativenga Mazikana, and then obviously the other respondents were ZEC, the Minister of Justice, Legal and Parliamentary Affairs, and the other Citizens Coalition for Change. So this court has now realized they have got two Citizens Coalition for Change, who is the applicant and the defendant. And then let's look at the judgment. I'm going to read through for you. Harare, Thursday, the 7th of December, 2023, which is yesterday, or in fact today, before Honorable Katio J and Advocate Uriri for the first and second applicants, that is Sengezo Tshabangu and CCC of Tshabangu, A. Muchat Demana for the first to 22nd applicant, and T.M. Kanengoni for the 23rd respondent, and Mr. A. Gumbo for the 25th respondent. It was an agent chamber application. Whereupon, after reading the documents filed of record and hearing counsel, it is ordered that the decision of the nomination court sitting in Harare, Bulawayo, Gwanda, Lupane, and any other location around the country on the 7th of November 2023 to accept the nomination papers and the candidature of the first to 22nd respondents for election in the by-election set to be conducted on the 9th of December 2023 is unlawful, of no force, effect, and hereby set aside. So as I said, the case that Tshabangu brought, he has won that case. He has managed to interdict all the guys who were contesting under the CCC of Chamisa from being candidates. That first to 22nd respondents are not candidates for election in the by-election scheduled to be conducted on the 9th of December 2023. So this is the second order. The first one is that they cannot be under CCC. The second one is that they cannot contest in the election. And so I think you see the two things here. That the first 22nd respondents are interdicted from representing or holding themselves out to be general public and electorate in the constituencies concerned on or any place in Zimbabwe whether physically or through any form of media as candidates for election in the by-elections to be held on 9 December 2023. This one, I don't understand this portion. This is very, very tricky. Number 4 is very, very tricky. In Shona, we call this in Takondo. They are saying you can't even say you are a candidate. I do not know if this this is normal. Right, let's go to number 3, which I skipped. That the 23rd and 24th respondents shall not include the names of the first to 22nd respondents in the preparation of ballot papers to be used in the by-elections scheduled to be conducted on the 9th of December 2023. So ZEC is ordered not to include the CCC guys. First to 22nd and 25th respondents shall jointly and severally pay the applicant's costs on the ordinary scale. So CCC of Chamisa have been ordered to pay the costs of Tshabangu. A very, very hard-hitting judgment, this one. I've never seen a judgment as comprehensive and as short as it is. Like, the way this judgment is written is in such a way that they cannot move. The guys from CCC are basically no longer part of CCC. And Tshabangu is basically now the interim secretary general. And this is extremely difficult for the Chamisa group. As I said before, they are going to lose the access to funds. They are going to lose access to call themselves CCC. And the caucus now has to report to Tshabangu. If you don't report to Tshabangu, they are going to throw you out from parliament. This is basically what it is. And if someone either follows Tshabangu and stays in parliament, or they follow Chamisa and get out of parliament. So this is it. This is the latest update on the court case. And I'll soon upload this on our website, gambako.com, within the next 20 to 30 minutes. I've got no power right now. So as soon as my power comes back and my equipment is up, we're going to upload this on gambako.com and we're going to share it on the group. But I've basically read this to you, every word which is in that judgment. I've read it to you. As you can see, there are no reasons. So normally judges give reasons. And this is from the Supreme Court, so I'm sure that each judge has to give reasons. So as soon as those reasons come out, I'm going to give them to you. This is a significant ruling because Chamisa has basically been removed from his position as the official CCC president. There is now another CCC. And this is basically what is here. What then needs to happen is in the next election, the next by-elections, we need to see what is going to happen. What is Chamisa going to run as if he wants to contest in these by-elections? And what is going to happen on Saturday? Tshabangu is going to have MPs in parliament that he nominated. And this is going to be a huge, huge difference. Is he now going to do the negotiations with ED, the dialogue? Is it going to include Tshabangu? Very, very important things that are happening in our country and unimaginable a few months ago. Thank you very much, everyone, for watching. And I think today we have to digest this. I won't be able to come back here tonight. I'll be back in the morning to give you an update. Thank you very much, everybody, and good evening to you all.